Hi viewers, welcome to AQC Media YouTube channel. Now we are going to see maize price in major parts of India. Kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to get price updates of our channel. Marketplace Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. Maize arrival 8,700 kilograms. Minimum price 14 rupees and maximum price 21 rupees 70 paise per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Devbang, Chhattisgarh. Maize arrival 32,700 kilogram. Minimum price 18 rupees and maximum price 21 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Raigad, Chhattisgarh. Maize arrival 25,400 kilograms. Maximum price 20 rupees 25 paise per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Ramanujganj, Chhattisgarh. Maize arrival 1,48,000 kg. Maximum price 18 rupees 75 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Balkot, Karnataka. Maize arrival 21,000 kg. Maximum price 22 rupees 21 paise per 1 kg of maize. Marketplace Bangalore, Karnataka. Maize arrival 12,000 kg. Minimum price 25 rupees and maximum price 26 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Bijapur, Karnataka. Maize arrival 10,000 kg. Minimum price 20 rupees and maximum price 22 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Chintamani, Karnataka. Maize arrival 14,000 kg. Minimum price 20 rupees and maximum price 21 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Davankar, Karnataka. Maize arrival 7,000 kg. Minimum price 23 rupees 1 paise to maximum price 23 rupees 25 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Havri, Karnataka. Maize arrival 49,000 kg. Minimum price 17 rupees and maximum price 21 rupees 45 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Hirekerur. Maize arrival 1,50,000 kg. Minimum price 18 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 22 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Kotur, Karnataka. Maize arrival 54,000 kg. Minimum price 17 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 23 rupees 48 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Kushtagi, Karnataka. Maize arrival 23,000 kg. Maximum price 21 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Mundragi, Karnataka. Maize arrival 7,000 kg. Minimum price 21 rupees 46 paise and maximum price 21 rupees 97 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Rona, Karnataka. Maize arrival 66,000 kg. Minimum price 21 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 22 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Shimoga, Karnataka. Maize arrival 51,000 kg. Minimum price 21 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 21 rupees 60 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Sindanur, Karnataka. Maize arrival 11,000 kg. Maximum price 18 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Bagu, Rajasthan. Maize arrival 2,10,000 kg. Minimum price 18 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 20 rupees 40 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Bundi, Rajasthan. Maize arrival 1500 kg. Minimum price 22 rupees 46 paise and maximum price 22 rupees 71 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Kota, Rajasthan. Maize arrival 2000 kg. Minimum price 22 rupees 11 paise and maximum price 22 rupees 51 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Charla, Telangana. Maize arrival 4,71,000 kg. Minimum price 18 rupees 20 paise and maximum price 18 rupees 40 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Jankan, Karnataka. Maize arrival 1,84,250 kg. Minimum price 18 rupees 20 paise and maximum price 18 rupees 40 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Nilakondapalli, Telangana. Maize arrival 5,80,000 kg. Desi red variety. Maximum price 16 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Satpalli, Telangana. Maize arrival 11,71,000 kg. Minimum price 18 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 20 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Siddipet, Telangana. Maize arrival 26,180 kg. Minimum price 19 rupees 55 paise and maximum price 23 rupees 25 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Warangal, Telangana. Maize arrival 73,800 kg. Minimum price 15 rupees and maximum price 22 rupees 54 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. Maize arrival 27,000 kg. Minimum price 19 rupees and maximum price 19 rupees 20 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Gonda, Uttar Pradesh. Maize arrival 59,000 kg. Minimum price 17 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 18 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Kannauj, Uttar Pradesh. Maize arrival 1,25,000 kg. Minimum price 17 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 18 rupees 60 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Kasganj. Maize arrival 67,000 kg. Minimum price 17 rupees 90 paise and maximum price 18 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. If this video is useful, kindly like and share to everyone. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting us.